Ranula. Ranula is retention cyst that is bluish in color in the oral cavity, mainly located in the sublingual space. The term ranula comes from Latin terminology which means toad. The term of ranula used to describe the mucocele that appear at the bottom of the mouth, and ranula usually appears unilateral and has bluish lump like toad's abdomen, like this frog abdomen. Rana tigrina frog abdomen looks like. So that's why it's called ranula. This ranula is two types. First is superficial ranula or simple ranula, which is mainly located in the oral cavity. And second is deep ranula or cervical ranula or plunging ranula, which is located in the oral cavity and goes into the submandibular space in the neck, piercing the mylohyoid muscle. Then it's ranula called plunging ranula or cervical ranula. It's common in the adolescent age between 10 to 30 years of age and common in the female than the male. These ranula are pseudocyst or mucus retention cyst which commonly originate from the extravasation of the mucus from the sublingual glands and mainly located at the base of the mouth, and which is more common on unilaterally, and bilateral ranula is rarely seen. These ranula may be extravasation type or retention cyst type. In extravasation type, there is no epithelial layer, while in the retention cyst, these mucosa is covered by the epithelium from the ductal epithelial cells. Clinically, ranula has a picture of simple lump and filling the floor of the mouth, pushing the tongue upward, generally unilateral and rarely seen bilateral. And these are transparent, thin walled, reddish blue, slow growing toad abdomen like bluish lesions are seen in the floor of the mouth. So, if the ranula are enlarged, then they can alter the speech, eating, and swallowing. If large enough to involve the surrounding structure, then sometimes they pierce the mylohyoid muscle, form the plunging type of the ranula. The treatment of choice in ranula is the excision with excision of sublingual glands. But sometimes excision is not possible, like this case. If this large ranula about 6 by 4 centimeter in size, involving the surrounding structure and involving major part of the base of the tongue and entire part of the tongue, then in that case excision is not possible. Then you have to do the marsupialization like open book, and you have to suture these cystic wall in the surrounding tongue and floor of the mouth tissue so that it will not reoccur, and you should open like book. You can see in this picture completely open like book ranula, and this is complete marsupialization of this ranula. And this is the post-operative picture on 10th day showing complete resolution of the ranula, and you can see clear picture of the floor of the mouth and sublingual space. So there is no ranula in this space, and this is completely resolved. That was about 5 into 4 centimeter in size. So that big ranula can be marsupialized with meticulously like open book, then results are better. Mainly ranula required excision. If excision is not possible, then we can do marsupialization. So this is open book ranula marsupialization.